Everyone's talking about running AI locally, but here's the truth. Most people are choosing the wrong setup. Should you use Ollama or DeepSeek? Let's look into this video. So Ollama, it's actually a local AI runtime that makes running models on your computer ridiculously easy. Think of it like, like a Docker for AI models. You install it, type one command, and boom, you're chatting with AI offline. It supports models like Llama, Mistral, Gemma, DeepSeek models, and much more. It focuses mainly on simplicity, local privacy, and fast setup. Whereas DeepSeek here, okay, DeepSeek is actually an AI model company. It's not a local runtime like Llama. Their models become popular because they deliver strong reasoning. Okay, they have a strong reasoning and great coding performance, and most replies and surprisingly good results on weaker hardware. So most people actually run DeepSeek models through Ollama. So the comparison is really easy local AI platform versus powerful AI model family. And why people like Ollama is that because it's beginner friendly, it has a huge model library, you can switch between models instantly. It's great for developers and it has good privacy, like everything stays within your machine, and it has a stable ecosystem, so massive community and tutorials. But on the downside issue is that it's not a model itself, Llama, okay? It's the launcher, and heavy models still need strong hardware, and you have limited GUI experience. Whereas DeepSeek here, the good thing about this is that the incredible coding ability, so especially for programming and technical tasks, and it has strong reasonings and efficient performance, and also it's free and open to use. But on the downside, the issue with DeepSeek is that the setup can confuse beginners, especially if you don't understand local AI workflows. And the large models need a VRAM, so the best DeepSeek models can get demanding fast. So if you're a beginner, use Ollama because it's the easiest way to enter the local AI without headaches. Okay, but if you are a developer or a coder, I would suggest you to use Ollama and plus with a DeepSeek model, because this combo is currently one of the best local coding setups. But if you care for about your privacy, then still Ollama wins because everything stays local and simple. Okay, but if you want like the smartest responses, then DeepSeek models can offer more intelligent for reasoning and coding tasks. So the real winner here among these two, it's not Ollama or DeepSeek, it's Ollama running DeepSeek.